Talafalava, Kuka with Samoan chef today, and yes, our $20 meals. And we're going to add in together some fish and chips. We're cooking fish and chips today. We're using hoki fish from New Zealand, prawns, and also some calamari rings. And we are using French fries. It's easy to cook and it is nice and crunchy. Oil in, a lot of oil in, and get them hoki mai fish in. Get it all brown and nice and crunchy, and oh, look at that. Calamari in, and remember, we are after the golden brown. Don't overcook them, otherwise they get dry. Prawn cutlets in, let them swim in that oil. Crunchy nga, lava nga. French fries in, chicken salt la lea. Hey, let's play. Alrighty, let's get some sauce. You can use tartar sauce or barbecue sauce or mayo or tomato sauce or whatever sauce you like. Up to you. Now take a look at that platter right there, $20. You can make 4 meals out of it. Yeah, let's plate it up and we serve. Now don't forget to get yourself some lemon. Now sprinkle that lemon juice and bless those hoki fish and all these swimmers with that lemon juice, and enjoy that fish and chips with your wife, your friend, your family, your kids, and your uncle and your auntie. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook, Insta, and TikTok. Let's go!